Good day everyone, my name is Oyinda Mola. In today's class, we'll be making a turban headband. So using elastic, So these are the material that you need. You need needle and thread, you need a tape measurement, you need pin, and we need elastic, you need scissors. So here is the measurement that we want to use. This is 18 inches by 7 inches. And I have another one. This is where I'm putting the elastic, and this is 3 inches by 11 inches. So you fold your material, then you pin it so that it doesn't move around, and you stitch it all the way down. You stitch it back again. The thing you do is you just flip it out. Put your fingers in between and flip it out. And that's it. This one is a bit tiny. You might not be able to use your finger, so you insert a pin on one side, put it inside the hole and drag it down. Then you turn it to the middle and press it. Where you stitch should be in the middle. Then you give it a good press. Just come to one of the edges, hem it inside a bit. So you hem it in a bit, a little, like half of an inch, and iron it. To the other side, iron it. So we are done ironing. The next thing we are going to do is to insert the elastic. You just hold the elastic and secure it with a pin. And you do same to the other side. You stitch both sides. Two edges together and put the elastic in the middle. Then you flip one side in, you flip the other side in and stitch. So we have done one side. For the other side, you let it enter the first one like this. Make the edges come together, then put the elastic in between the two edges and stitch. So you put the elastic in between the two edges, make one side come to the center and the other side to the center. So here is the end result. As you can see, it's very nice and very beautiful. If you're making for your daughter as well, just measure their head circumference. Then note that the space for elastic at the back is 11 inches by 3 inches, which is constant, and the elastic itself that you are going to fix inside is 6 inches. So you minus that